Hello everyone, welcome to this video of introduction to chemical engineering. Here uh, we uh, we will discuss about what is chemical engineering. So, uh, as you might guess, the chemical engineering is just about designing a process to convert raw material into the product. So, it is like you have given certain raw materials, you want to achieve some desired product. So, how will you utilize those raw material to get that product at an optimum value and at a safe and a stable process. So here in chemical engineering, we use the concepts from chemistry, physics and mathematics to design and optimize the processes. So it is not completely about the chemistry, which is a general misconception about the chemical engineering. So basically for us, the chemical engineering is just about designing the processes and the process elements. So it play a so, as you can expect, the chemical engineering play a crucial role in industries like petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, food processing, and environmental engineering. Now, what you will learn when you pursue a chemical engineering, so you will learn about the reaction engineering. Here, what you do for a given reaction or for a given raw material to product conversion, what kind of reactor you need to use. You will learn what will be the right combination of the reactor to achieve the desired products concentrations or the desired conversions and how a reaction take place in a particular reactor. So here you will learn about designing reactors using the correct chemistry or thermodynamics of the reaction to design the reactor and to maximize the conversions and to optimize the process. And then next you will learn about the transport phenomena. It is important because the fluid in the chemical plant transferred through the different carriers and you just need to learn about those so that you can design and eliminate the transfer losses in your process. So the transfer phenomena you will also learn in the course. Then you will learn about the numerical analysis because here we are gonna what we're gonna do in this course, we gonna code and solve the non-linear equations and optimize the processes. This is important because when you design a chemical plant or a chemical flow sheet, you need to optimize that to give a desired concentration, desired conversion, and the raw and the products at a optimized cost so that the business may be profitable. And you will learn about the economics because all the industry revolve around one thing, that is making money, delivering the consumer value. So you will understand how money will work for your project and how the chemical plant works in general. And similarly, you will learn about simulations, process design, and optimizations. Here, you will simulate a chemical plant with the help of simulators that are available, and you will predict the profitability and desired process parameters for a process. So these are the things you will learn. Last but not least, you will learn about the controls also. So in controls, what will you learn? You will learn about the PNIDs, how to control a process. Say, suppose you want to maintain the reactor at a temperature T, how will you maintain it? How will you control and what will you do when the temperature fluctuates? Similarly for the pressures, similarly for the other parameters in a process. So you will learn about the controlling of the processes. And here we just discuss about some common myths. So there is one common myth about chemical engineering that you are going to study chemistry only. That is false. You will study a little bit of chemistry along with the blend of maths and physics to visualize how the reactions are happening, how you can optimize, what kind of process you need to choose for these reactions. And it is about making chemicals, yes, but not only about making chemicals, it is more than that. Here you just also miss, like, as a chemical engineer you just not worry about what to do, you can just learn how to optimize a reactor itself. So that is also a different means like different career paths that come out of the chemical engineering. And you cannot do good in branch if you are weak in chemistry. That is completely wrong. You just need to have a little bit grasp of chemistry. Other than if you are good in physics and maths, you are gonna do really well in the plant. So now the most weighted thing, that is the career in chemical engineering. So when you do a chemical engineering, you can become a chemical engineer, a process engineer, a petrochemical engineer, environmental engineer, banker, management role. There are many roles that are open because the curriculum of chemical engineering says that you study about economics, you study about controls, you study about the process optimizations, numerical methods. So you are good to go with the bankers and management roles. And here for the comparison, I just put forward the salaries from the different chemical engineering public sectors. So you can see the highest salary that is paid, I think it's IOCL on this list. And here you can just multiply it. You can just consider this is the base pay, and on base pay you have other allowances that is given by the government. So you can calculate the how much salary you can get in hand. But from here you can get a rough idea about the chemical engineering sector as a whole. I hope this video helps you to understand what is chemical engineer, what you're going to study, what are the career paths looks like, and I hope now you can make a better decision whether to choose a chemical engineering or not. Thanks.